In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Account Manager not working. So if Roblox Account Manager isn't launching properly or has suddenly stopped working, then this quick fix may help solve the problem. First, click on the Windows search bar and search for Roblox Studio. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Open File Location. When the File Explorer window opens, right-click on the Roblox Player shortcut and select Open File Location again. This will take you to the installation folder. Now locate the Roblox application file, right-click on it, and select Properties. Next, click on the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for, and then select Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. After that, check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Once you've enabled both settings, click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. Now restart your computer and then launch Roblox Account Manager again. In many cases, this fixes compatibility issues and allows Roblox Account Manager to work properly again. And that's how you can fix Roblox Account Manager not working. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials and troubleshooting guides.